This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by drying the bread so it breaks down cleanly. Preheat the oven to 150 degrees 160 degrees C and arrange the torn pieces on a sheet. This removes moisture evenly. Make sure to check after 10 minutes and toss to toast both sides. Aim for pale golden, not browned, because dark pieces taste bitter. Once done, cool completely on the tray. Cooling prevents steam that creates clumps later. These steps set the texture and shelf life for perfect crumbs. Now you convert toasted bread into crumbs with a food processor or blender. Add small batches, about 1-2 cups, so blades cut evenly. Pulse in short bursts for coarse texture and longer pulses for fine crumbs. Make sure to shake the bowl between pulses to move larger pieces to the blades. Once the batch looks uniform, stop and sift through a sieve. Any leftover large bits go back in. This control over grinding gives you consistent crumb size for coating or finish by cooling crumbs fully, then portion into airtight jars or freezer bags. Room temperature holds about 2 weeks, freezer for months. You can season now with salt, dried herbs, or grated cheese if you'll use immediately, or keep plain so flavors stay flexible. If crumbs feel damp or clump, you can re-dry them at 120 degrees C for 5 to 10 minutes and pulse again. This fixes moisture and restores crispness. Store labeled with date so you know freshness at a glance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.